Hello, in today's very quick tutorial I will show you how to get your Midjourney Chrome extension. So let's get started. You will go to your Chrome web store and you will search for this free AI Draw Midjourney. I will put the link in the description. And you can read it, you can see all that you want from it, but you will add it to your Chrome. I already did it, so for me it says remove from Chrome. When you download and added it to your Chrome web store automatically, you will go to your extensions in the top right corner. When you click on extensions, you will see all the extensions and you will see your free AI Draw Midjourney. So you will click on it and it opens a new tab. On the new tab, you can put it on the language you want. I put it on, of course, on English, and you can put your prompts in, your negative prompts, your depth field, your ratio, your quality, chaos, synthesis, stop, everything you need to do it like Midjourney. I will put now my prompt in. I have this prompt. That's all I want to do, just a quick example, and you will to click generate image. When you click generate image, you will need to wait 3 to 5 minutes to make your AI picture. See you then. And guys, here we are. I use a prompt for a shark picture, and in a few minutes we got the pictures. Of course, we can play with it. We can define and edit those pictures more and more. We can choose each one, or we can download the pictures. So guys, that is the Chrome extensions with Midjourney. I looked it up. That is the best one that I saw and I used for Chrome extensions. If some other extensions come in new, we will do a video from there, but for me this is the best Midjourney extension from Chrome right now on the Chrome web store. So you can play with it, you can install it, see what it can do. Of course, you can uninstall it. And guys, that is a wrap. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you leave a like and subscribe. If you have some other questions about Midjourney, you can visit our channel for other tutorials. Or if you have some questions, you can of course ask in the comments. And I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.